Hello guys, welcome to Tisha's Home Cooking. Welcome everyone. Let me say a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't done so, please go and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and leave your comments in the drop box. I love reading your comments. Now guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can bake a very simple yummy chocolate cake. Now before I do that, let me show you something. You see this is what I've been up to, guys. This is Tisha's Home Cooking SHITO. Now SHITO is a Ghanaian condiment which can be enjoyed with so many meals. This is so tasty. If you're in the UK, I am shipping in the UK, so you can place your orders and I'll mail it to you. I'll leave the contact details in the comment box so that you can contact me and place your orders. Guys, don't miss out, okay, on the SHITO. This is so yummy and lovely. People have been enjoying it. So I'll leave the contact details there for you. Also, once my website is up and running, you can go there and place your orders. You can also find me on Instagram. So anyway, guys, let's go and start baking our yummy chocolate cake. I've got 225 grams of butter. Then I've got 4 eggs. And I've got 225 grams of caster sugar. And then I've got 100 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Got some milk here to add, and I'll also be grating in some nutmeg into the dry ingredients just to give it some flavor. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, add my caster sugar to the butter and then start beating it. Okay. So you beat it until you have a very smooth consistency. So now we're going to be adding the egg, but what we will do is we'll add the egg one at a time. Okay, so once you've got a smooth consistency like that, you can now add your eggs. But guys, also don't forget to turn your oven on to start heating up your oven. So I've turned mine on to 180 degrees. Mine is electric and it's fan assisted, but for gas you need gas Mark 4. So don't forget to turn your oven on. So what we're going to be doing is we beat the eggs in and we do it one at a time. Okay, so we've got one gone in. Okay, so as I'm using a handheld mixer, I have to turn it off each time and do it one at a time. Okay, then we're going to pour in some milk, so just a little bit, not too much. So now guys, onto the dry ingredients. So I've got the 100 grams of the flour. Just grate a little bit of nutmeg in it. This just gives it some flavor. That's just me, but you can decide to omit the nutmeg. Okay. And then the baking powder goes in. So now we're ready to fold in. the flour. Okay, so you just fold it in gently. And we're going to add the cocoa powder. So guys, just fold it in gently, okay? Gently until you have a running consistency like that. And don't forget, so you need your tin, your baking tin, and you need to grease your tin. Okay, ready for the cake to be then poured in and goes into the few minutes. When you put the cake in, do not open your oven. Okay, so now as you can see, the cake is ready and it's come out of the oven. So let me show you one trick. This is what you do to make sure that your cake is well baked. You need a toothpick like that. You pierce it through the cake, and if it comes out dry, then it means that your cake is well baked. Okay, so you pierce it through like that and it should come out dry. If it's wet, your cake is not baked and you need to bake it until it's well done. So I'm going to make just a little bit of icing to go on the cake as well. So what I have here is I've got I'm not making too much, so I've got 125 grams of butter. So this butter should be softened butter, and then I've got some dark chocolate here. So I've got 125 grams of dark chocolate as well, and then I've got about 85 grams of icing sugar. Okay, this is icing sugar. So I'm going to be beating the icing sugar with the butter, but before I do that, I'm going to be melting the dark chocolate. So I have a bowl of simmering or boiling hot water, and then you can place your dark chocolate in it, and it will start melting it for you. So whilst it's melting, I'm going to start then beating up my icing sugar with the butter. Okay, as you can see, the chocolate is nicely melted. Okay, we're going to turn the fire off and allow it to cool for a little bit.